Yeah.
Subscribe to Traveling Utah.
Perfect. All right. We're here in Pekin, Illinois, corner of 4th and Derby. Found me a little hot dog stand. Well, kind of knew it was here. Some buddy of mine went to high school with, Nate Dawgs. Let's see what we got here.
No, not this family.
I didn't drive all the way from Utah to get this, but I'm here. I hear it's the best. So let's see what we got. It's an old Freedom station is what he's telling me. Like I said, I knew this cat from high school. So, you know, there isn't anywhere really to sit here. So you kind of got to come get it and take it to go, but it is a food truck. It's hot out here. Hot, hot. But got 2 chili dogs. Got one for my mom, and we got one of these pretzels coming as well. So have to do a food review here when we get there. All right, let's see what we got here. Pretzel and cheese. Ooh, man. Let's see what this is. Got chili, we got relish, onions. It's a good dog. Let's try this pretzel. Yeah. Might have to go back there. I'm gonna be here for a while. Might have to try one of his other ones. Man, try some of his cheese sauce here.
Is it good?
You should try some.
He makes it from scratch.
It's a pretty dang good chili dog. Man, so great hot dogs. We will definitely be headed back there before this trip is done. Good job, man.